Hello guys, this is Odis from TCTFX, and today I'm going to be going over the main currencies and the currency pairs that we trade in Forex. So the main currencies that we trade is the Euro, the GBP, the JPY, and the USD, and the Australian dollar too. We also do that. So yeah, those are the main ones that we use. Each and one has their own separate combination. So let's go over them right now. The cross currency pairs and the exotic ones. So one of the most common ones that people trade are the Euro USD, the GBP JPY, the GBP USD, and the odd USD and the USD JPY. These are the most common ones that people trade because there's a lot of volume in their respected time. So for example, if you want to trade on the New York session, you could trade Euro USD, you could trade USD JPY, you could trade odd USD too. It's pretty good. They move fluently for the most part. In my opinion, a beginner pair that you guys should start out with if you're gonna start out trading Forex, it is the Euro USD. It has volume. It's a good pair to trade. It has volume, but it's not too crazy like some of these other pairs that are they just fly, and then yeah, they could really stop you out, and then they're just crazy. There's a lot of volume in them. So when you're starting out, I recommend you start with the Euro USD. It's the best one just to get comfortable with it, trade to see how just like the market overall moves. And then after that, you could progress into the more faster pairs, that really move a lot and have a lot of volume. So in my opinion, my favorite pair to trade is the GBP JPY. It's, for me, is the best to trade it at its time. For my time, it is Eastern time. And I have to wake up around 2:30ish a.m. to get the session at 3 a.m. And that's where this one moves the most. This one moves too. The GBPers usually move on the they move on the London session. They move really good. In my opinion, this one, GBP JPY, is the best one that moves. For that one. And then, but it's kind of weird though because I don't know if it's just me with the prop firm that I'm trading with. The JPY pairs, like, they're like, okay, let's say you get 50 pips. In reality, you're gonna catch 45 pips. I don't know why that's the issue with my thing. I don't know if it's just overall USD JPY is like that, or the yen pairs are like that. I don't know, but that's something you should keep in mind when you see it, because at the beginning is gonna be a little bit weird if you trade them and you see that you're not catching the correct pips. So just something to be on the lookout for. So yeah, this is a really good pair to trade. It moves really good, and in my opinion, guys, if you're gonna trade, find that pair that you like. Doesn't have to be this one. Doesn't have to be any of these. It doesn't have to, but find the pair that you like and stick to it and study it, and study and back test it and see if your strategy works. It's just trial and error with the ones that you feel the most comfortable with. Now, there are exotic pairs, like these two right here that I just decided to pick. There's a lot more, but these are the ones that are the most exotic. Like the USD and the Mexican peso. That one it's just strange. There's not a lot of volume in it. You could trade it. You could trade it, but it's just not the one that everyone goes for. So there's not a lot of like volume, like, or clean setups, in my opinion. That would just stick to the ones that have the most volume that you could handle. That's my opinion. And another example is the NZD, the New Zealand, with the JPY. That's like something people trade it and they make a lot of money with them. Don't get me wrong, but like, it's just it's not the usual pair that we trade. At least me, I don't trade it at all. And I left gold. I put gold in blue because gold is crazy. Gold is dangerous. It can make you a lot of money, but it's very dangerous too. And gold trends really good. Like gold really trades really good. So if you find, you know, your comfort zone with it, you could definitely make a lot of money. But in my opinion, again, this is all when you're just starting out. In my opinion, don't look at these. Don't look at them. Just go for the simple ones, the Euro USD, the USD JPY. Get comfortable with it and pick the time frame that you want to trade. That's very, very, very important. You have to pick the time frames that each pair work the best on. Okay? So you're not gonna be again, in my opinion, I would never trade GBP JPY on the New York session. You could do it and it moves, but it's just the spread is a little bigger. It's just for what I see, for what I've seen, it's just not for me. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this short and quick video about the currency pairs that we have available to trade. There's a lot more you could trade, but these are just like the main ones that, you know, stand out to me, that I've constantly seen, and I've actually traded each and every single one of these myself, so I kind of know how they move. But you know, you'll never know exactly how the market moves, guys. It's impossible. So everything is trial and error. Keep seeing your strategy and stick with your strategy. Your strategy is not perfect. You're not always gonna win. Trust me. You're gonna have losing weeks. You're gonna have back-to-back losing trades, and it's okay. It's part of trading. It's part of trading. It's okay. Don't get discouraged just because you keep losing. Like, obviously, you want to see what's going on, and you want to. It's all about knowing your pair, the pair that you want. You could trade multiple pairs too. That's perfectly fine. But for me, in my opinion, the best way to go is just find that pair that you really feel comfortable with, and just go crazy and study it. And that's my opinion. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video, quick short video. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for more content that I will be dropping. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and remember, stay blessed.